We'll be designing the slab of this two-story residential building. In our previous video, we have done the analysis and design, and we have also done the interactive design. Then in our previous video, we also did the structural framing and then where we position our column, beam, and slab. So now we want to design our slab. So I'll come over to my plan view. Let's wait for it to load. I'll come over to my plan view. If you see now, it has not been designed. Yeah, it has not been designed. So we're in story 2, but I would like to design this slab of story 2. So in order to design slab, you come over to your modeling. Then after your modeling, you come over to slab strip. So you click on it. So this will appear. So at this point in time, you leave it at analytical strip. Then if you are doing all this finite element is for that's fast slab. Finite element strip is for fast slab or beam lat foundation or just lat foundation, any of them. But for normal slab, you leave it at analytical strip. Then now come and select your boundary condition. So I'll be explaining boundary condition like for you now. So this one now is for when you're having beam. When you're having slab, beam, and then slab. That I'll just call that one as a continuous slab. This one is just like this situation now. Look at it, slab, beam, and then slab. That's when you can pick this condition now. For example now, as me I want to design only this slab. That means my boundary condition will not be I'll place my slab strip at this point to this point. Sorry, my boundary condition will be this and this. Yeah, this will be my boundary condition. So I'll place it from here to here. As me, I only want to design this slab. Yes. So I'll have this, but I don't want to design only this slab. So I'll do Ctrl Z. That's to undo. So I'll click on my slab strip again. That's I hope you understand this boundary condition. That's for this now. Then for this one now is for this edge. Yeah, this boundary condition now is for this edge where you're having void, beam, and slab. Look at it. You are not seeing anything. Void, beam, and then slab. So this boundary condition is for this edge. Why this boundary condition is for cantilevers? They are for cantilevers, and two, we don't have any cantilever here. Yes, we don't have any cantilever here. So I'll be designing this slab, and I'll apply almost all of them, all these boundary conditions apart from this. So at this point, I want to design only this slab now. To design only this slab, I'll pick my boundary condition. I'm starting from here. My boundary condition will be this, and then I want to design only this slab. That means it will stop here. My slab still will stop here. That means the next boundary condition will be this. So I'll have these two things. I'll come over and click on here, and then I'll hold my control key to strengthen my line. I'll click on this point. So these two things are what I'm having. Do you want to master structural design and detailing in just 10 days? I created a course where I carried out the full structural design of this residential building from start to finish. In this 10-day structural design masterclass of this residential building, we carried out the structural framing, modeling, analysis, and design every structural members. We analyze the forces acting on them and design reinforcement to counter those forces. From there, we move into foundation detailing, part-based detailing, column detailing, slab detailing, even staircase detailing. We also section and detail our staircase and slab. And finally, I showed how to print and present your drawing professionally. This course is highly in-depth because I poured out my knowledge about structural design into it. Honestly, it's more in-depth than all the free structural design videos on YouTube. And think about it, if my free lessons here on YouTube are already this good, just imagine my paid courses. This is all you need to become a confident, competent structural engineer. It is an investment you will never regret in this life, because remember, the greatest investment with the highest return is the one you make on yourself. And the good thing is, this course is highly affordable because I consider the fact that most of you are still students. The link to this course is in this video description. It is the first link you will see. Go and enjoy every bit of the lesson. Do you want to master structural design in 10 days? This course will get you there. It has been designed. So at this point now, I want to design the whole from here to here. So what I'll do now is that my boundary condition will not be this and then this. I want to design, remember here is a void, this is a staircase, so here is a void. So this will be my boundary condition. So I'll click here, hold my control key, please hold your control key, and drop it at this point. Yes, and drop it at this point. So this is what you are having. I also like to repeat the same thing here. I like to repeat the same thing in design of this, which this two will be my boundary condition. So I'll still continue. Click here and then hold my control key and strengthen it for it to strengthen. That's why we are holding control key. So it's not remaining this point. It's not remaining this point. Then to design this point now, what is here? This is a beam. This is slab, beam, and slab. So this will be my boundary condition. And then what is this extreme? This extreme is slab, beam, and void. That means this will be my boundary condition. So I will now come and select. I will hold my control key to straighten the line. So I would like to tell you about our course. We created a course, 10 days intensive structural design and detailing masterclass. The course is designed to last for 10 days. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that after 10 days you no longer have access to it. After 10 days you still have access to it. But in the course, we dealt with everything about structural design to structural detailing. We started from column positioning, that structural framing. We did analysis, we did design, we even did this thing, and we explained every single thing in depth, down to the detailing, even staircase detailing, slab detailing, even how to section your slab and also how to section your staircase. All these things we are well dealt with in the course. I will advise you get it, and please, very, very affordable. Not just that, it comes with a lot of bonuses. Yeah, a free CV template, detailing template, and then the software will be given to you. That's ProtaStructure 2022. Yeah, I'll advise you go for the course because everything about everything was well explained to. So in this one, this will be my boundary condition. At this point, it's still the same boundary condition, which is this and then this. So I'll come over, I'll click from here, I'll hold my control key to straighten the line and then drop it at this point. So this is what I'm having right now. So this is what I'm having. Then I'll not really, this side and this side, they are symmetrical. So everything that we did here, you can see apply them to this side. So at this point, what I'll do now is to design my y-axis. I'll come over and click on y. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that you should click on your s. Yeah, you should click on this direction s before you design this. So for direction y, I'll come and click on this. So the same thing applicable. I want to design from here to here. So I'll come and select this boundary condition and then this boundary condition. So I'll click here. Once I click here, I'll hold my control key, I'll hold my control key to straighten the line. I'll also drop it at this point. Yes, it has been designed. So then I also want to still repeat the same thing from here. I'll click here. I'll then hold my control key, to straighten the line. I'll drop it here. Let's wait for it to design. Yes, it has been designed. Then I'll still repeat the same thing for this. I'll still repeat the same thing for this. At this point, I'll hold my let me escape. So at this point, I will zoom. I want to click here, hold my control key, and then hold my control key to straighten the line, and then drop it here, and then I'll drop it here. So if you check now, this line that we drew now, this one now, okay, let's wait. This one now is designed for this and this and this, but this one has not been designed in terms of y-axis. So in terms of y-axis, and also this one has not been designed in terms of y-axis. So for this one, what will be my boundary condition? It will be this, which is this, and then it will be this one, which will be what? This. Then I'll also zoom, click from here to here, hold my control key to straighten it and drop. Yeah, it will what? Design. Hope you are following. But if you want to understand every single thing in detail, I'll advise you get the paid course. And then this one now, if I want to design it, here is what? A void, a beam, and a slab, which this is the boundary condition. And then here is this. This will be the boundary condition. Then from here, I'll hold my control key. To straighten the line and drop it at this point. So right now we have successfully designed this slab. So let's check the reinforcement it is being. Sorry, let's check the reinforcement that it is providing for us. So if we check, what you'll be seeing here is, okay, let me check this one. T12 at 250. T12 at 250. If you check all of them, T12 at 250. But I will advise, if you want to do your detailing, use T12 at 200. The reason why we normally choose T12 at 200, like even if they provide 250, use 200. Reason is because, for example, that's if you're located in an African country, because most of the time they do tamper with quality. Yeah, they do tamper with quality. So those production companies, they try to economize a lot. So if it's not, their T12 no longer be T12, their T12 might be T10 or even T9. And also the 460 strength that we use might not be 460, might not be 460, it might be 410 or even 400. So for that reason, even though they are giving you 250 spacing, I will advise use 200 spacing. Yes, use 200 spacing is the advice I will give. So don't forget to get the course. And because if, for example, now this thing I said now, yeah, if you get the course, like you get to understand more things when it comes to even detailing and all these things. You get to understand every single thing, and so the course comes with a lot of bonus. So a lot of bonuses. I will advise you to take advantage of this. So we have come to the end of this video. Get the paid course. The link to the paid course is in this video description.